Mama can't do your laundry forever, so if you want clean clothes, eventually you've got to learn about detergent and what colors can go in the machine at the same time. Laundry lessons are part of a new online video series called Life Savvy 101. The audience, young adults in college, or teens preparing for life beyond their childhood home. And starring in the videos and dispensing the advice, students with UT's Herbert College of Agriculture.
When you come to college, you're basically on your own now. You have to grow up and you have to check your bank statements. You have to do laundry.
In terms of generational names, we're now beyond millennials. Someone born in the mid-90s is known as Generation Z. And the Zs have a name for these skills: adulting.
And I don't know what I'm going to do. I've got $23 in my bank account and rent's coming up.
In this video, students talk about handling money using mobile banking apps. UT Extension's Family and Consumer Sciences unit combined with Collegiate 4-H to produce the series. Experts selected topics they believe today's youth need to learn.
So we're working in four primary areas: money, health, family or relationships, and food, and so which line up with our family and consumer sciences subject matter.
That definitely creates so much stress. We go through so many things, as college students. It just seem to create so much stress.
JEROME LINYEAR was in a video on ways to manage stress. He recommends exercise and eating right, get away from the books on occasion, and find your passion.
You don't come to college and not be stressed once. That's just not going to happen. We don't live in this magical fairyland where nothing's going to go wrong.
That's a fair point and a big reason for making these videos, to prepare people for the so-called real world. Students should be focused on academic goals, but also learn about life as part of their college journey. Adulting is just that, picking up the skills of an effective adult. This is Charles Denney reporting.